Hello and welcome to another video. We are here in the big city of Guadalajara in Mexico. I actually woke up early to go up to the swimming pool on the top floor, but it was closed unfortunately. So we're gonna have to go swimming later today. But first we're gonna be exploring the town of Guadalajara. There are some really old churches and stuff here. Not all that exciting. I like more swimming in waterfalls and being on the beach, but it's something different. So we're gonna be heading out of this hotel room here in a little bit. We were in the Best Western Hotel in the town of Guadalajara, located 300 kilometers or 190 miles from the west coast of Mexico and the Pacific Ocean. We had started the travels in the town of Puerto Vallarta.
Hi! Are you ready now to go out to Guadalajara?
Yeah, I think so. It looks like the sun is coming out.
Do you want to show your pants from the 70s?
Oh, my pants?
Yeah. Very nice.
Yes.
You are.
We had breakfast earlier and I drank too much coffee again.
I drank 2 cups. I was thinking about a 3rd cup, but then I had to stop myself because that's too much.
So you don't get too hyper. The price included a really nice breakfast buffet that we really enjoyed. We're gonna be heading out now and exploring the city, and then later today go up to the roof again. Hello!
Let's go!
We just came out here on the street outside of our hotel, Best Western. We paid $36 per night, and we also just had a really incredible breakfast with chilaquiles, bacon, ham, a bunch of salad. This town actually is the 7th biggest town in all of Mexico with a population of 5.3 million people. So now we're going to Centro Historico to look at some churches. Apparently it's the most popular area here in the town.
Wait,
Centro Historico.
I think we're going to the wrong way.
It's the 2nd most densely populated city here in all of Mexico, so that means that there are a lot of people in not so big of an area. We were on the way to Centro Historico, a really famous part of town, located only 10 minutes from the Best Western Hotel. We walked for a bit here and came out to the main area, I think. It's a huge square here and also this really old church. Here it is, the Guadalajara Cathedral from the 1500s. It's really tempting to go swimming here in this really nice fountain, but we might have to wait until we get back to the hotel so we can swim in the rooftop pool. The cathedral was built in the 1560s and took 50 years to complete. A lot of towns here in Mexico also have horses that you can ride, like the old times. Look at this horse over here. It's a pretty cool town. It reminds me of a lot of cities in Europe. A little bit of an older vibe and older buildings. And here is the horse. The whole town was colonized by Spanish explorers, which explains the European vibe. Here we have a line for people to go and take a picture with the Guadalajara sign. So I better make sure I get a really good picture and do something exclusive when I get to the sign. I've been running around here on the square. Maria, she's doing her own filming. We're on the way to the 2nd most famous building in the town, Teatro Degollado. It looks like Greece here. All these buildings have columns. Must be some kind of influence from Greece. Is my prediction. As I thought, the building was a neoclassical building of Roman and Greek influence. I've lost Maria when I went over to the temple here. So we have to run over there real quick. I think that's where she is. I didn't find Maria and it was so hot, so I had to cool off a bit. Imagine before there were cell phones, how could you ever find somebody you lost in such a big city? I have successfully cooled off. I lose Maria all the time when I film a bit and then she is going away somewhere and filming and then I go away somewhere and film. So we always lose each other. We have to call Maria now. Hopefully she answers. Hello Maria, she's gone in Guadalajara. That is not good. Hello. Here she is.
Here
I found her.
Here I am.
I called you 3 times.
You did?
Yeah. I can't take the heat anymore. I have to cool off a bit. We have a perfect fountain here. Hopefully we have no cool off blockers. I think it's a bit frowned upon, the swimming fountains. We have some police over here, so we don't want to get in trouble. But I really have to cool off some more. It's too hot here. Good thing. Yeah, now we have totally successfully cooled off, but it smells like chlorine a bit. I hope it's not gonna start itching on my skin. The only answer to happiness in life is swimming and cooling off. I think that's the best thing I know. I get so happy when I swim a bit and get water. I love water.
Media. Sí.
Normal.
Normal, sí.
I got some kind of drink here with lime and some soda and mineral water. And I also discovered that there's a bunch of salt in it. Ugh, there's like somebody who just poured salt over the drink. Cheers to the salt drink. We're looking at the sightseeing bus here now. To see if we can go on it and go around town maybe.
Tlaquepaque, ahí se pueden quedar 1, 2, 3 horas.
Oh, we got some kind of bracelet here to go on this sightseeing bus, so let's get on the bus. We decided to get on a bus and go to a really famous place called Tlaquepaque. We're going on a sightseeing tour. Tlaquepaque means the best of everything and is a very famous place where the tour buses go to. Now we're in Tlaquepaque. So we're gonna go explore here. We have some umbrellas everywhere. Umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. We're getting hypnotized here. Here in Tlaquepaque, apparently this is where you have all the art stuff and the small boutiques and yeah, it seems kind of interesting. Hola, una bolsa de papas fritas.
¿Salsa maíz?
Poquito. I got some chips here in Tlaquepaque with some spicy hot sauce and lime. All the birds also like the chips, but not the chile. The park was really peaceful, but some crazy birds flying above.
Así es.
Gratis.
¿Sí?
Oh, gracias.
De nada, para servirle.
Gracias.
Bonito día.
Free ice cream in Guadalajara. There she is. We had been walking around in Tlaquepaque for some time, got on the bus and went back to the Best Western Hotel. I immediately went up to the top floor to go swimming in the swimming pool. We came back, Maria is resting in the room and I am gonna be performing now some pool tricks. So this is the rooftop here of the building that you saw this morning. It's in the middle of Guadalajara. Here's the swimming pool. We're gonna dry up a bit and then this will be the end of the video. We're probably gonna maybe go to the gym. There's a gym in here also, and then go and eat something, but this is the end now. So please, as always, if you enjoyed watching the video, leave it a thumbs up and post a comment, and also don't forget to click the red subscribe button below this video so you can subscribe to the channel and see where we end up in the next video, because we have actually not decided where we're gonna go yet. We also ended up going to the gym inside the Best Western Hotel, and Maria had also joined me.